What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds to Success podcast, back again with another quick tip video. Today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat the convertible top, whether it's cloth like this one, leather, and honestly whatever other materials I make. For this test video, or this quick tip video, we're actually doing a cloth one / fabric one. This is a 2021. It still looks pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat it. We coated the rest of the vehicle already. What I'm using and what I like to use is interior ceramic coating from DIY Detail. You can use any other interior ceramic just because, you know, obviously it protects carpet fibers and things like that. So there's two ways I'm going to show you real quick. It's going to be a little bit easy because it's just that easy. So we're going to give one good spray. We already did it, so we're just kind of adding it up. You grab a soft leather brush and then you just agitate, go back and forth. And then I always give it one more spray after and just, okay. Now that's the brush way, works just fine. If you don't have one of those and you're in a predicament and you kind of just need to get it done, we all have gloves, I hope. Again, grab your glove. Just go like this, move everything around. And there you go. And then what I like to do, I let it dwell for about 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll come back and just swiftly go over like this, just so you don't get any like crazy high spots or wet spots, and then it takes forever to dry and maybe some stain comes up or whatever. So, but yeah, and that's an easy 120 bucks. We charge 120 bucks for it. You know, it lasts however long it lasts. I'm sure the customer is probably gonna forget about it in the first week of having it. But it's there, it's a quick upsell, it honestly protects, and then you get that beauty of a water bead all over your convertible roof. If you like this quick tip video, please like it and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see in our next quick tip video. And until next time, take care, everybody.